Welcome back to PartsHnC. In today's video, we'll explore AC unit transformer troubleshooting and how to fix common problems. If your AC has power issues, the transformer might be the cause. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a homeowner looking to save on repair costs, this guide is perfect. Let's start by understanding what a transformer does in your AC unit. The transformer converts high voltage from your home into lower voltage for the AC's control circuits. The thermostat and control mechanisms must function properly. If the transformer fails, your AC unit may not work correctly or at all. Transformers can have issues like blown fuses, burnt wires, and faulty connections. Overheating from excessive demand or short circuits can also cause failure. Lightning strikes or power surges may damage the transformer too. Look for signs like the AC not turning on, strange noises, or a burning smell to identify a faulty transformer. Before troubleshooting, always turn off the power to your AC unit at the breaker box. Use a voltage tester to ensure the power is off. Wear safety gloves and goggles to protect yourself from electrical hazards. First, check the fuse box or circuit breaker for tripped breakers or blown fuses. Open the access panel on your AC unit to locate the transformer. Inspect the wires for damage or burns, and replace any damaged wires. Use a multimeter to test the voltage going in and out of the transformer. If the transformer is faulty, you'll need a compatible replacement. Take a photo of the wire connections before removing the old transformer. Disconnect the wires and remove the faulty transformer. Install the new transformer by connecting the wires to the correct terminals, using your photo as a reference. Secure the new transformer and replace the access panel. Turn the power back on at the breaker box and test your AC unit. If it works correctly, you've successfully replaced the transformer.